Good day everyone, my name is Ku Jun Xian. Today I would like to present about circularity in the Kraft pulping and pulp production from eucalyptus. This is the flow of my presentation. First is about pre-processing, second is pre-treatment, followed by Kraft pulping and circularity. For pre-processing part, there have 5 steps. The first step is harvesting logs. After harvest, logs are slashing into 2 meters long. After that, the slashed logs are loaded onto debarca conveyor by using drum debarca. After debarking, barks will become commodity. The commodity will be discuses later. After that, logs are loaded onto a chipping conveyor and chop into 20 mm wood chips by a radial chipper. Next will be screening stage. Wood chips are sieved and oversized pieces are rejected and chipped again. All the wood chips can be stored in indoor piles. The picture at right side is the example of the wood chip storage and reclaiming equipment. This wood chip storage and reclaiming equipment have boom-type stacker reclaimer, 360-degree stacker reclaimer, linear storage system with screw reclaimer discharge, round silo storage system and chip receiving station with hopper discharge system. Next is pre-treatment process of eucalyptus wood chips. The pre-treatment method that I chose is pre-steaming. Wood chips from storage introduce into pre-steaming stage which blow by 100 degrees Celsius vapor with elevated pressure and temperature. During this pre-steaming process, it will help to remove the air from within wood chips and allow the cooking liquor to better impregnate wood chips. This also lead to a more uniform cooking process and lowers amount of rejects. Pre-treated feedstock will continue for pulping process. Kraft pulping. In Kraft pulping, the active ingredients are sodium hydroxide and sodium sulfide. It is an alkaline process with pH value between 12 and 14. The active species will reacting with biomass feedstock in a digester, continue with disintegration tank which can separate black liquor and pulp. Then, the next step is washing of pulp and screening and later produce pulp. In digester, wet process produces black liquor as components leached and mixed with vapor. Black liquor is then blown out and condensed. Next, it will introduce white liquor or other chemicals. After finished Kraft pulping, pulp is finished produce. By using Kraft pulping, pulp produced have strong pulp web, pulp with removed 80% of lignin and 50% of hemicellulose. Now, we look at the circularity of pre-processing, pre-treatment and Kraft pulping. For pre-processing, during debarking, there were bark residues and some others commodity during screening process. To avoid waste and environmental impact, bark can be used as a fuel and become one of the materials for composting. While for pre-treatment and Kraft pulping processes, black liquor is produced. Black liquor can be fire in a recovery barrier which the liquor releases heat as it burns and used for production of steam and power. It also can become a good feedstock for biofuel and syngas production which make development of new products. Next, what is the sustainability of the pulp production? The whole process and all stages are sustainable because all the waste are reused, recycled for making new products for various purposes such as barks as fuel and composed materials. Second, black liquor produced will undergo washing and pre-evaporated. After that, it will dissolve in water and yield green liquor. Green liquor will yield white liquor undergo causticization which can be reused in digester. These are my references for my presentation. Thank you for watching.